Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. From any screen, if we click on nav, now I've already used this today, but if I hadn't, it would come up with a screen saying click here to agree, you're not going to get distracted. In the top corner you've got destination entry, we'll click on there, postcode, previous and so on. So onto postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage. I was just going to give you our old address then, we just moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR. Now it's defaulted to numbers. It's a great easy Land Rover system to use, and it's also, even though this is 2 digits, you can still get to the postcode. A lot of systems you have to put a space in and then a digit, and it's pretty confusing. But we're PR5 4EA. Click OK, and then you have to click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as easy as that.